I'm Anitya Mayapriyananda, a adolescent from the Nityananda Gurukul. I'm 13 years old and I'm doing my 10th grade right now. So today I just wanted to share some amazing powerful cognition from today's satsang. So in today's satsang, Swamiji was elaborately talking on manifesting Shaktis and also on um, he was talking more in the science of life. So one powerful cognition that really clicked was when he told that including with the right judgment is leadershipness. So including with what I understood from that was that like how Swamiji is. Every time whenever he gives any instruction or whenever he sets a context for anything, the first thing that he does is without having any cognition about anything or without seeing anybody from their past, he just gives the right like he makes the right judgment and then gives them any instruction. So that's exactly how it happens in the Gurukul also. So when we're trying to help a person complete with something, so we don't see them from their past and instead giving the right judgment, we take the leadershipness for that person and help that person get complete.
Okay, Nityanandam. My name is Manitya Mahashananda. I'm a Gurukul adolescent. Past 10 months I'm here. So from today's satsang, what I understood is, like Swamiji spoke about many things like power manifestation, and he told it is an international yoga day, and he told about Gurukul also. In Gurukul, what I understood, what he told in Gurukul, like when you're sleeping, if you get up and dance, what you manifest. When you're eating drums, and if you see what you're manifesting. After that, in Gurukul, like see with the connecting with Sadashiva, with the oneness, they'll manifest everything and Shaktis also.
Nityananda, my name is Manitya Madhurananda. I'm 12 years old and I've been in the Nityananda Gurukul for the past 6 years. And I wanted to share one of the points which I had and I got today in today's satsang. So Swamiji had told that the words which he used, it is very important because you make decisions in your life out of that. And what I understood from that is any words you use, it only finally leads up to any of the decisions which you take in your life, any of the major decisions like whether you want to do your studies or anything you want to do, it only depends on the words which you use.
Nityanandam, my name is Manitya Virjananda. I am 13 years old and I come from Malaysia. I am studying in Nityananda Gurukul for past 5 years. I am 13 years old. So today the powerful cognition which I received from today's satsang is Swamiji told, the Vatavarana for experiencing the multi-dimension of your consciousness is created in Gurukul. So basically, like what I understand is that in Gurukul basically is run by Swamiji, and every single thing what we do in Gurukul is instructed by Swamiji only. So like in Gurukul, the way you manifest powers are literally extraordinary, like phenomenal. So literally you can experience the multi-dimension of your own consciousness itself.
Nityananda, my name is Vanshika. I am 11 years old. Today in satsang I know about today is International Yoga Day.
Yes, you can tell in Hindi also. And one thing that's nice about her is you all should really know is she's just few days older in Gurukul. It's just few days since she joined Gurukul, and she's a typical North Indian who has come to experience this new lifestyle. So I really wanted her also to share with the world of what Swamiji gives her. To be able to sit on the throne within just few days is something amazing. You can share up Hindi में भी बता सकती हो.
Today we learned in satsang about powerful cognition.
Amazing. Even great that even this you were able to courageously share.
Nityanandam, my name is Manitya Shivananda and I am 12 years old. And today Swamiji told in satsang that Adinam is the door to Kailash.
Nityanandam. My name is Tracy. I'm 12 years old. And one powerful cognition that I learned from the satsang was that Gurukul is a place where we can experience the multi-dimensions of like power manifestation, and power manifestation helps us grow our yogic mind.
My name is Manitya Dharmakar. I'm 13 years old. Song is that Gurukul, not university, not university.
Yes, Kushalagama, one of the youngest kids in Gurukul. Yes, you can share what do you understand? What do you experience from Swamiji? What has Swamiji given you in Gurukul? What powers? Body scanning, house scanning, and then? So what do you think will make you manifest powers? Sadashiva. Whom do you connect as Sadashiva? What is Sadashiva according to you? Swamiji? And then? Love. Okay. So here today we had one beautiful group of Balasans sit and share with us the powerful cognitions that they had experienced in the satsang and the transformation that they had experienced. So stay tuned for more of these powerful cognitions each day, especially from the Balasans, the young avatars into training and the avatars happening. You can just witness each of the kids' history just happening here. So we all tell Nityanandam to you till then, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.